How to cancel Plix order. If you ordered something from Plix and need to cancel it before it ships, here is exactly how to do it. Fast and easy. Step 1. Write to hello@plixlife.com as soon as possible. Explain that you want to cancel your order and include your order number and email address used during checkout. Step 2. Your cancellation request only works before the order is dispatched. If it's already been shipped, you'll have to use the return policy instead. Step 3. Plix will confirm they've canceled your order and initiated a refund via email. They say it usually takes about 5 to 7 days for the money to show up on your original payment method. Step 4. Once you get confirmation, monitor your bank or payment app. The refund should appear within a week. Sometimes faster, sometimes a bit slower, depending on your bank.